Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. This is your Rainbowseed maintenance, a weekly light body calibration. Ooh. What is the goal for this week's light body focus? What is your light body focusing on? Coherence. Your light body is focusing on finding harmony over dissonance. And there is a sense of thinking about your light body more and honestly tapping into your light body. Maybe you are working with the Merkaba or the diamond path, but there is a sense of coherence occurring and tapping into that harmony. So it's also showing where there is dissonance. It's showing where there is a lack of harmony. Now let's see, where are you being upgraded energetically? Because, whoa, you are thinking and using your light body, your Merkaba body, and you're accessing this sense of harmony. I'm quite literally seeing that you've so far are experiencing things. Oh, this is really fun. You're experiencing things where before would have knocked you off your feet. They would have absolutely caused chaos or distress or not very good things. But instead, you're at a different level in your field that you're picking up on resources that have always been there, but now you can easily tap into them. And that dissonance, that discord, that chaos is no longer ruling the environment. You're using those resources to harmonize the experience, and it's very fun. I'm getting the feeling of, wow, I could do this whole time. Now, where are you being upgraded energetically within having this awareness to the resources you have to stay in harmony? Resolution. Resolutions are occurring, and it really feels like solutions. Old timelines collapsed. They're gone. Those distorted timelines that carry illusions are no longer. You've embodied your higher self. This makes so much sense. Your higher self is that light body. You have embodied it, therefore those resources are not so far away. Before, the resources you had to really focus and really think about, how can I interact with my higher self to find a solution, which now you are the resolution. You are expressing the highest form of solving discord, and it's through how you express yourself. Signs will be pyramids, 2 dolphins. I'm also getting Melusine with the 2 tails. Very powerful. Very beautiful. Now, what chakra is needing maintenance during this time? Root, grounding and centering. So this does make sense because the root is not wanting to support fear. When the root chakra is not grounded, it reads that the field as something to be afraid of or scared of. Now, because in the past you have been used to being in environments that are chaotic, being in environments where all absolute chaos is going to break loose and things are going to go wrong and nothing's going how it could. Maintaining that root chakra of saying, no, that's not happening this time. None of those things that I would have been worried about is even coming to mind anymore. So maintaining that groundedness in this new higher self embodiment. Now, who is here to support your manifestations this week? Who is here supporting how you express yourself and staying grounded? Crystal child. This made sense, especially with the crystal at the bottom, the crystals here. A crystal being, whether it is a person that has crystal energy, I'm also seeing you have embodied this higher self. So relying on soul stones. Soul stones are crystals that are resonating and in coherence. And I love that there is a crystal here with your higher self. And that is a form of balancing, and it removes that falsehood of that old timeline. Oh, this is really exciting, you guys. I love working with clients and figuring out their soul stones. Or, well, they begin remembering their soul stone. And it feels like you already have your soul stones and you're remembering them, and they're assisting you in grounding how you express yourself and how you embody your higher self to remain in harmony with this new timeline. Now, for alignment, what needs self-care? What needs self-care as you maintain your root chakra? What needs self-care as you engage with your soul stones crystal spirit? Star seer. I feel like I'm speaking to a very specific person, but your soul stones may be a tektite. It may be from the stars, and the specific higher self you're tapping into is a star seed. And another different aspect that I'm very excited about, this is a being that already has their third eye open. It's open. You understand that you are a spirit in a physical vessel. But grounding for star seeds is not tapping into this planet. Tapping into this planet, it feels nice, but it's not how star seeds ground. Go look at stars. Go meditate with a tektite. Go to a planetary observatory. This is how you're going to ground yourself. How exciting. So, time to tap into that starseed self. It's going to assist you in anchoring this new timeline. Let's get a message from the star beings. How about that? A message from this star being higher self. Trust the timing. You are not running out of time. And that can be a real fear as well. So knowing you're not running out of time, you're in a new timeline. Very different. You're not running out of time. You are in a new timeline. How about another message, star being, to wrap up this reading, to fully engage? Oh my goodness. So we have 4 of Pentacles. You do not have to hold tight to this physical vessel. There is a sense of being scared of this physical vessel. It's so fascinating. The beings I'm speaking to may have a difficult time understanding how powerful these physical earthseed suits are. So your star being self, your starseed higher self, wants you to know that your physical vessel is far more complex and able to sustain this new timeline. Very exciting. I'm even seeing this tarantula, and it's so funny. There are a lot of people scared of tarantulas, but honestly, if a tarantula is dropped from too high, or honestly, tarantulas can have a lot more physical mistakes that could end them. So it's fascinating that this is how you feel about this physical vessel. Is, oh my gosh, look at all the things, look how fragile it is. And your star being self wants to let you know, hey, it's not that fragile. It's okay. We're going to make it in this new timeline. You don't have to be scared. Oh, exciting. Thank you so much for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending your seeds, whether it be rainbow, angelic, star seed, or earth seed, and may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds, trust your light, and I'll see you next time.